Jack, you've worked for incredible companies like Oculus, you've done work with Guitar Hero, you've even been on set at Terminator 2. Tell me about some of the applications that you're seeing in AI that are really exciting.
Well, I've spent the last 4 or 5 years working on defense-related things, and these are indigenous projects without contract to any government. One of the things we worked on was drone abatement, how to get rid of these things. In my view, and also Musk's view, these things are going to change the nature of warfare fairly quickly. They already have. How to make them go away, and this was the issue we were dealing with. I watched, there was a parade in Saudi Arabia, and a drone with an artillery shell or munition on it flew into the crowd. So how to get rid of that problem. You can take out the radio link, but if it's autonomous, there's not much you can do. And this is the issue. You've seen these drone shows where these things are in patterns or something. They create a comic book character or something. It's just amazing. I have no idea how that works, by the way, but this is the thing. I also worked in crowd control devices also, not such related to AI, but that's part of the defense stuff. And we were working with the Air Force briefly, but decided not to go through with it because it was too much. I'm retired, it's too much work. So that's my view. We built an autonomous EV at my facility. I have an R&D facility I own. And the idea was you would send this thing on missions, and it would go on off-road, on terrain, and find its way to where it's supposed to go, and then leave and come back, creep along the ground very quietly. Of course, that would require some intelligence of some sort, so these are the things I'm working on. If you're asking me, here's the very dangerous thing, is like, when you're, let's say you're in the military, you're a general, let's say, just for say, it has to be on your conscience that you're gonna send out a person potentially to be killed in combat. It's got to weigh on you. I know it does. But when it's a drone, you don't have this conscious attachment to it, you know? That's dangerous because you'll just push them out there and send them on a mission, and the consequences you don't know immediately. So I think it's going to change the nature of warfare for sure.